Namaste, myself Dr. K.K. Chaudhary, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University, Jaipur. My teaching subject is Animal Diversity and Comparative Anatomy of the Vertebrates. And now we will discuss about the adaptation in Chiroptera, the adaptation in bats. Bats are fascinating and incredibly diverse mammal. कि bats क्या हैं? Bats are fascinating and incredibly diverse animals. The smallest species, kitty hawk-nosed bat, has a wingspan of 5.91. कि जो सबसे छोटी स्पीसीज बैट्स की क्या है, जो सबसे छोटी स्पीसीज है, इसका साइज कितना है? किटी हॉग नोज्ड बैट है जिसका नाम, साइज विंग स्पैन है 5.91, जिसका साइज क्या है 5.91. Whereas the largest, the giant gold-crowned flying figs, can have a wingspan of 5 feet to 5 feet 7 inches. There are over 1200 known species of the bats, making them the second largest order of the mammals. ये कह रहे हैं कि दो है, एक तो बड़े साइज जिसका विंग स्पैन है 5 फीट 7 इंच और स्मॉलेस्ट साइज इसका विंग साइज है 5.91 इंच, और 1200 नॉन स्पीसीज हैं जो सेकेंड ऑर्डर इसको बनाती हैं, सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट ऑर्डर बनाती हैं मैमल्स. In fact, 20% of all classified mammal species are bats. They are mammals and therefore have many common mammalian features. Mammals हैं और mammals वाले ही फीचर हैं, being warm-blooded और fur इनके अंदर होता है. The main adaptation that separate bat from other mammals, however, is their ability to fly. जो मेन एडेप्टेशन क्या है जो बैट को दूसरे मैमल्स से डिफर कर रही है, दैट इज देयर एडेप्टेशन टू फ्लाई. सम अदर मैमल्स लाइक सो कॉल्ड फ्लाइंग स्क्वेरल एंड फ्लाइंग लेमूर कैन नॉट एक्चुअली फ्लाई, इन फैक्ट दे ग्लाइड. तो जो दूसरे मैमल्स हैं ना, फ्लाइंग स्क्वेरल या लेमूर को कहो तो उन्हें भी फ्लाइंग लेमूर बोला जाता है, लेकिन वो एक्चुअली फ्लाई नहीं करते, वो ग्लाइड करते हैं, ग्लाइडिंग करते हैं. तो बैट्स आर द ओनली मैमल्स विद ट्रू पावर्ड फ्लाइट्स. बियॉन्ड पावर्ड फ्लाइट्स, बैट हैव ए नंबर ऑफ अदर यूनिक एडेप्टेशन टू देयर वेरिड हैबिटेट्स. फर्स्ट है फिजिकल एडेप्टेशन फॉर मूवमेंट. इनके लाइट वेट मैमेलियन विंग्स. Bats are the only mammals that are able to fly. Adaptations that enable them to fly effectively include long arms with finger bones that are thin and light but are also capable of supporting and manipulating the wing membrane. Bat flight is also aided by fused bone in the area such as the skull. This helps to make the bat light in weight. Although these wings are mainly used for flight, they also have other uses such as forming pouch to carry or catch the prey with. तो एक तो एडेप्टेशन ये. सेकंड है फिजिकल एडेप्टेशन फॉर सस्टेनेंस. स्पेशलाइज्ड माउथ एंड द टंग. Different species of the bats have adapted to feed on a wide range of food sources. Although most bats feed on the insects, the diet of some bats include fruit, nectar, blood, frog, birds and fishes. Different species have different adaptation to help them hunt or gather their specific source of the food. Some plants like the baobab tree, for example, are almost exclusively pollinated by the nectar feeding bats, a process called chiropterophily. Fish-eating bats such as fishing bulldog bat have large feet and hooked claws for catching the fish. The three species of the vampire bat feed exclusively on blood, a trait called hematophagy. They have thermoreceptor on their noses to detect blood vessels close to the skin and a nucleus in their brain that is theorized to actually see infrared radiations. They have sharp teeth that can shave off hair and penetrate the skin of their prey, and their saliva contains an anticoagulant to keep the blood flowing. इसके बाद है फिजिकल एडेप्टेशन फॉर नेविगेशन. Echolocating voice and the ears. The majority of the bats use echolocation, also called biosonar, to navigate and hunt for the food. The typical exception is fruit bat, who rely largely on sight in order to find their way around. While hunting insect at night, bats produce a series of high-pitched sounds from their nose or mouth. Most humans are unable to hear these sounds. The sound waves bounce back when they meet an object such as an insect, allowing the bats to see with sound. Here have behavioral adaptation for safety, upside down nocturnality and hibernation. Bats are the nocturnal animals, normally sleeping during the day in the shelter such as cave or empty buildings. This behavioral adaptation enables them to hide from predators while they are asleep and vulnerable. They leave their shelter to hunt at night. At most species of the bat, on hearing to navigate and hunt their prey, daylight is not essential. Flying at night also prevents bat wings from absorbing excessive amount of heat. Bats also sleep upside down, holding on with their feet rather than their hands. This leaves their wings free to take off in flight whenever they need to. Bats in northern climate are also able to hibernate through the winter. When bats go into the hibernation, they reduce their body temperature, which enable them to conserve energy and find a relatively warm, humid shelter. Okay. This is all about the adaptation in the Chiroptera, the adaptation into the bats. Hope you understand the topic. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University, Jaipur. Thank you very much.